Okay, so we're getting ready to do a vacuum leak test. So what we've got is compressed air that's going to blow through there into this jar that's starting to smoke from a soldering iron heating up some mineral oil. After that, it'll travel through this hose into the intake boot and into the vacuum system of the engine. So once we do that, we will be able to identify any vacuum leaks. I think we have one there. All right, Jack, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, go. Okay, you can see there's definitely a vacuum leak here, and then there's a bunch of smoke coming out. Keep going, Jack. You might not be able to see it on the video, but there's definitely a leak on that T connection. All right, that was successful. We found a leak. Jack, good job.